Friends, in previous session we have understood current ratio. In this session we are going to understand what is quick ratio or say acid test ratio. For understanding that, let's take the same balance sheet which we have used in case 2 in current ratio. So I'll reproduce that balance sheet. Liabilities and assets. The current liabilities are basically bank's cash credit, which is 100 crore, and sundry creditors, which is another 200 crore. And for repaying this 300, what are the assets that are available? Number one, cash and bank, which is 100 crore, and stock another 100 crore, and receivables 100 crore. So for paying total liability of 300 crore, the resources that are available is also 300 crore. So if you plot this in graph, you will have liability of 300 crore and you will have matching asset of 300 crore for servicing. But in quick ratio, we are not trying to find the relationship between the current liability and current asset, because that's what we have done in current ratio. In quick ratio, our focus is to find what are the quick assets that are available to meet the current liability, not the current assets. Here the focus is on quick assets, the assets which can be converted into cash quickly. So look at here, stock is not a quick asset because stock can be either raw material or finished goods. If it is raw material, it has to undergo production, it should be converted into finished good, then it should be sold in the market, then it should be realized. It's a long process. If it is a finished goods and if you sell it forcefully, you will not get the real market value. So stock is not a quick asset. So we'll remove that. So the 100 should go off. So we had asset of 300, now it is going to be only 200. So we have only 200 of quick asset and current liability is 300. So total quick asset is 200. Now we'll calculate the ratio, or okay, first we'll have it in the graph. The liability is 300 and current asset available is also 300, but that is not going to help us in paying immediately. So what will come to the immediate rescue is only liquid asset and it is only 200. So now we'll calculate this quick ratio. See, we know current asset is 300, but now we know quick asset it is 200 and we know current liability is also 300. So quick ratio is equal to quick assets by current liability. Quick asset is 200 and current liability is 300, and here it conveys it is 0.67 is to 1. For every 1 rupee of current liability, the quick asset is 200. So even when your current asset is matching with current liability, it is not going to help in meeting the payment because some are in the form of stock and it cannot be sold immediately in the market. So it is not only the current ratio, the liquidity position can also be measured by quick ratio. And what is the preferable liquidity condition? Say if you have current liability of 300, your current asset should be greater than 300. Say for example 350, but you should have liquid asset matching your current liability. So this is the preferred liquidity position, that is your current asset should be always higher than your current liability, but your liquid asset should be at least equal to your current liability. Thank you.